welcome to my channel, guys. This video is about how I reshaped 2-7 Feel It sound using Yamaha Reface DX synthesizer. After turning on Yamaha Reface DX, you're going to look at the voice select area and press the bank button to go to the second bank, 2- and press 7 to set up at 2-7 Feel It sound. Next, you are going to find the edit button. So press the edit button, and under the FM section, you're going to press FREQ button, frequency button. We are going to alter the frequency ratio for operator 4. So we are going to press the operator 4 button. Alright, so under the data entry section from the left, the third area is for the ratio. So if you just tap on the upward or downward arrow, it's going to change by 0.01. So it's going to be really slow to reach 5.43. So you have to use your index ideally and flick around upward arrow so you can fast reach at 5.43 for operator 4. Next, press the operator 4 button 2 more times to adjust keyboard scaling rate. Changing keyboard scaling rate is a part of altering the source as well. We are going to change the keyboard scaling rate for operator 4 and 3. Okay, so under the data entry section, from the left, the first area is where you actually set the depth of keyboard scaling rate, and the second is actually showing the dot. So by tapping on that dot one time, you can change that linear default line to exponent, and then flickering your index around downwards arrow on the first area under the data entry section. We're going to set it to minimum, which is -127. For operator 3, we're going to do the same thing. So first, press the operator 3 button, and by default, it'll show straight lines on both sides. But we're going to alter the left depth and left line. So from the left under data entry section, the first area is where you set depth to the minimum, which is -127, by flickering around the downwards arrow. And under the data entry section from the left, the second area where you see the dot, by tapping on the dot, you will change the straight line to curved line, which is exponent line. Next, we're going to find LFO button under voice select and edit section. LFO means low frequency oscillator. That allows us to choose the type of waveform, speed, delay, and PMD for each operators and carriers. So in this picture, you can see that I chose the sample and hold 8 waveform and set the speed at 91, delay at 12, PMD pitch, modulation depth at 6. Okay, so you're going to press the LFO button one more time so you can see all the LFOs are already on for all the carriers and operators, but I turned off LFO for operator 1 only by just tapping on the first dot under data entry section. So operator 1, it's off, all of them, except for operator 1, LFO will be on. Next, find the effect button and press it. We're going to choose REV, which means reverb. by tapping the first dot under the data entry section. Finally, under the FM section, press ALGO button. So out of 12 algorithms, I chose number 5. You can actually tap on the upward or downward arrows to choose right algorithm that you like. That's it. Thank you for watching my first tutorial video with Yamaha Reface DX. I'm gonna post a link of my Wix website so you can listen to my 30-second piece with this reshaped 2/7 Feel It sound. Thank you. Bye-bye.